Welcome to Garden Art Corner, your ultimate destination for creative garden art, outdoor decor, and inspiring craft ideas. Today, we are exploring 15 stunning modern geometric garden wall sculptures crafted entirely from knotted twine and rustic birch twigs. These eco-friendly accent pieces bring an elegant balance of structural modern design and organic textures right into your outdoor living space. If you love DIY garden craft projects, please don't forget to like, share, leave a comment, and subscribe to our channel for more inspiration. The interlocking diamond lattice combines sharp geometric lines with natural textures to create a striking focal point for any exterior space. Slender birch twigs are bound together at precise intersections with intricate natural twine knots to form overlapping diamond shapes. Mounted on a wooden garden fence, this sculpture casts mesmerizing shadows when illuminated by afternoon sunlight. It offers a sophisticated, minimalist aesthetic that effortlessly bridges contemporary art with rustic materials. The hexagonal honeycomb framework brings organic symmetry straight into your outdoor sanctuary. Straight birch twigs are cut into equal segments and connected into repeating six-sided shapes using tight hemp twine lashings. When displayed against the textured concrete garden wall, this design provides a captivating contrast between crisp geometry and raw wood tones. Adding subtle climbing greenery behind the frame enhances its architectural charm throughout the seasons. Concentric square harmony plays with scale and depth by layering multiple square frames within one another. White birch twigs create clean contrast, while dark brown twine wraps each corner securely in a decorative square lash. Positioned along a partial garden fence near the home entrance, it acts as an eye-catching architectural panel. This sculpture is perfect for homeowners who appreciate minimalist geometry mixed with natural outdoor textures. The radial sunburst star radiates outward with clean lines and dynamic visual energy. Birch twigs radiate from a central woven twine ring, forming an intricate starburst pattern bound together with cross-wrapped knots. Fixed onto a stone garden wall, it catches the light beautifully and draws the eye to central outdoor garden spaces. This eye-catching centerpiece transforms a blank exterior surface into a serene work of botanical-inspired geometry. The triangular tessellation panel utilizes repeating triangular units to form a modern structural art piece. Birch twigs form the sturdy geometric grid, reinforced with decorative crisscross twine knotting at every junction. Mounted against a modern brick garden fence, it creates an intriguing geometric accent that complements outdoor furniture. Its open frame construction permits light and shadow to play across the wall as the sun shifts throughout the day. The overlapping circles grid relies on bent birch branches and taut twine to achieve soft yet structured geometric curves. Flexible birch saplings are gently curved into hoops and secured at overlapping points using elaborate twine knotting techniques. Positioned on a minimalist garden wall, this piece brings fluid movement and balance to straight exterior architecture. It serves as a gentle visual transition between structured garden hardscaping and wild natural plantings. The Chevron arrow mosaic guides the eye vertically with dynamic repeating V-shaped chevron patterns. Selected straight birch twigs are cut at angles and lashed together with heavy-duty twine in decorative diagonal weaves. Mounted on a high garden fence near a partial residential facade, It adds height and rhythm to compact yard spaces. The warm wood tones and textured twine knots offer a tactile quality that invites closer appreciation. The 3D pyramid cube matrix uses clever geometry to create the optical illusion of three-dimensional depth on a flat surface. Carefully measured birch twigs are aligned diagonally and knotted with contrasting twine to form intersecting cube forms. Set against a weathered slate garden wall, this sculpture creates a captivating display of light and perspective. It is an ideal installation for modern art enthusiasts seeking unique handcrafted outdoor accents. The asymmetric polygon cluster blends modern abstract art with organic woodland materials. Birch twigs of varying lengths are lashed together with knotted twine into a striking arrangement of irregular polygons. Fixed onto a clean white garden fence, it provides a bold contemporary statement that pops against light backdrops. This piece proves that geometric garden art can be both structured and full of organic personality. The parallel line parallelogram creates a sleek, sloped frame filled with rhythmic internal twig arrangements. Birch twigs are placed in precise parallel rows and secured with tight twine bindings along an outer birch border. Hung against a dark composite garden fence, it offers a sophisticated linear aesthetic that anchors outdoor dining spaces. The simplicity of the repetition creates a calm and meditative visual atmosphere in your garden. The spoked wheel mandala combines geometric precision with a soothing circular motif inspired by traditional designs. Multiple birch twigs converge toward a central knotted twine hub surrounded by concentric circular twig rings. Displayed prominently on a stone garden wall, this sculpture acts as a tranquil centerpiece for patio relaxation. The detailed knotting work showcases remarkable craftsmanship while maintaining a light, airy presence. The zigzag lattice screen brings energetic movement and geometric flair to blank garden partitions. Alternating diagonal birch twigs are fastened at sharp angles using decorative twine cross knots. Placed along a garden fence beside a partial home exterior, it serves as a stylish decorative wall trellis. The bold lines create compelling shadows that change dynamically as the sun moves across the sky. The octagonal star lattice blends 8-sided geometry with intricate twig craftsmanship. Straight birch sticks form an outer octagon with internal intersecting stars secured by complex twine knots. Mounted on a brick garden wall, this design brings a touch of classic architectural geometry to outdoor walls. It transforms simple fallen branches into a high-end decorative garden art piece. The cascading rhombus grid features a series of angled diamond shapes that stream vertically down the wall. Slender birch twigs are joined at acute angles using multi-strand twine knots to form a fluid vertical sculpture. Hung on a modern garden wall adjacent to a partial home facade, it adds verticality and elegance to small garden nooks. The contrast of pale birch bark and natural twine gives it a cozy, Scandinavian-inspired garden charm. nested diamond starburst is a show-stopping centerpiece that combines concentric diamonds with radiating center spokes. Birch twigs are meticulously layered and tied with elaborate twine lattice work to create a rich, multi-dimensional sculpture. Displayed on a modern garden fence near a partial home facade, it serves as the ultimate statement piece for garden art lovers. Tell us which of these geometric designs was your favorite in the comments below. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to Garden Art Corner, and we will see you in the next video.